Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
Hey guys, today we're going to unbox this box that I ordered from Amazon. I'm going to use this for my live stream. So let's open the box. Let's see what's in. So this is the live sound card. So let's open the box and let's see what's in the box. Alright, as always, there is a manual and of course the USB and some cord for microphone. And this one, I don't know where to use this, but I'm gonna figure it out later. And here is the card sound. So here it is. So I've already connect all the connectors here at the back, and this is how it looks like. It's so beautiful, right? There you go. So there are two colors, but I don't have a choice. They don't have the black one, so I got the white one. So I'm gonna show you guys. First, you're gonna, here at the back, it's very easy. All the connectors are included in the package. So here at the back, here is the microphone. Here's the microphone. All you have to do is just to connect here at the back, and here is the my earphone. Here's written here earphone and headphone, and here I connect my little speaker, this one, so that I can hear my voice, but it's not necessarily that you have to connect a speaker, but if you want to hear, because there's no speaker inside of this, so you cannot hear the sounds while you're recording or while you're streaming. So I try to connect my speaker so that I can hear the sounds and the voice. So here also is the connector here. Here is the one that you connect to your phone so that you can do your recording, you can do live streaming using your phone. And what I'm using right now is my phone. Alright, so here on the other side there is also here USB where you can connect to your computer if you want to use this to your computer, if you want to do live streaming, or if you want to do some video or karaoke, then you can also use this if you want to record your songs. And here is the charger, so where you can charge your soundtrack, okay, the F998. So I'm gonna show you guys how it sounds like. So I'm going to connect my my microphone here at the back, and hold on, I'm gonna put this one down, and this is the one that I'm going to connect to my phone so that you can hear the sounds of the microphone. Open this. Hello, mic test, hello, hello. All right, so this is the microphone, and here is the top. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you guys the sounds of each button of this F998. So here you go. It's so cute. I turn off all of my lights so that you can see the beauty of the colors while they're blinking. All right, so here on the top, all right, here is the on and off. Okay, so here is the battery. So here is your monitor. Here is the recording. If you want to do some recording, then you just make sure that you turn this on. So here is the bass, you see, the MIDI and the treble. So here is the where you can the volume of your song or music that you want to play with. Here is the microphone. So you can adjust here your microphone. And here on the top is the illumination, which is if you are singing a song like a vocal song, well, there is an effect, just a little bit. So just play around with this. This is the mute one, so if you mute this one, you can't hear yourself. So this one is blinking, so when you see it's blinking, well, you can connect this to your computer or laptop. Here is the voiceover, so when you push this one, when this is blinking and when you play a music and then you talk, then it will stop. So this is the Bluetooth. All right, you can connect your laptop or your phone. Just push this one and connect your Bluetooth. And this is the denoise. So here is the karaoke. So if you want to sing a song, just push this one. And when you see it's blinking, well, you're ready to sing a song. Okay, so here also you can, if you see the change voice, like what you see to other bloggers that are using, they changing their voice. So you can push that change voice.
And then when it's blinking, you will see my voice is changing. You can try another voice. Just push again.
And now my voice changed. Oh my god, look at that. It's so fun.
Change again. And now my voice is like baby. I don't know. So yeah, just play around with this, guys. This is how to change voice.
And I think they have 4 types of voice now. I don't know what you call this voice. So yeah, just wanna let you know, guys, that you can change your voice by pushing this button, change voice.
Alright, so they have 5. I think this is number 5. Okay, I'm gonna push one more.
Alright, so this is 6.
Alright, so now, so good guys, so that's the change voice. So play around with guys and take a look at it. Alright, so here are the sounds that you can play with it, but I'm just gonna play with it for you guys so you can hear the sounds of the soundtrack if you decided to get one of these. There you go.
I love it! You guys are so great!
I love it. Gunshot.
Awesome!
And you can play around with this, guys. The one on the top, if you put the pop, and then it will just play. Just play with it. So if you want to turn the blinking for this, just push any button, any one of these, and it will stop. So now I'm going to show you guys how you can sing a song using this one, and I push the karaoke, and then I connect my a connector to my laptop, but since it's connected only to Bluetooth, so you can use that wireless. Okay, so here is my laptop, my iPod. Okay, so here I'm gonna choose a song from YouTube, which is the karaoke, so that I can test any song, but I'm not a good singer, guys. It's late in the evening. She's wondering what clothes to wear. I hope you have fun for my weird voice. Yeah, so you can play with it. You can do a karaoke. So if you are lonely, if you're bored, you just get one of these little cutie sound effect tracks. And then you can also do some karaoke if you want to sing a song, or if you, even though you're not a singer, but you are a music lover and you want to sing, well, why not, okay? So, yes. So that's all for today, guys. That's my a short review for this F998 sound effects truck. So maybe someday I'm gonna get some other brands so that I can review it and try it, right? So that's all for today, guys, and thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for subscribing, liking, and sharing my videos. So please, but for those of you who are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe before you leave and click the notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload my video. In this channel, you will see a lot of videos, different videos, so what makes you interested, please do watch and subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much. Thank you for all your support. So that's all for today's, guys. I hope to see you next time. Bye for now.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, go.